Good morning, one and all. My name is V. Abhijit Kumar. My roll number is 24951A6602. I am studying in CSE AI and ML, that is Computer Science and Engineering, with the specialization of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning, 4th semester, Institute of Aeronautical Engineering. In this video of the complex engineering problem of the subject of Web Systems Engineering, that is WSE, the topic I am going to talk about is Fitness Workout Planner. The project I am going to talk about is Fitness Workout Planner. Now let's go through the contents. In the first place, I'm going to explain the context and motivation behind the project. I'm going to introduce the project. In the second place, I'm going to explain the challenges in modern fitness planning, that is the problem statement. In the third place, I'm going to explain the system design and technologies, architecture, stack and database design. In the fourth place, I'm going to explain the implementation and backend logic, that is the core workflows, API and UI execution. And at the last place, I'm going to conclude the topic with outcomes and future scope. So basically, in modern digital era, maintaining physical fitness has become both a necessity and a challenge. Individuals struggle with structured planning, consistency, and personalized guidance. Personalized plans, that is goal-driven workout recommendations tailored to each user, are needed. Progress tracking is needed, that is visual data-driven monitoring of physical improvements over time is needed, and a unified system, that is front-end, back-end and database integrated into a single cohesive web application is needed. Hence, this is the introduction to the topic. Now let's go through the problem statement. Here, the challenge is to design a web-based system that provides dynamic, goal-based workout suggestions, stores and retrieves user progress via a relational database, that is a table. It maintains usability with professional modern UI and handles user sessions securely and efficiently. Here the user challenges is not is that no structured or goal specific workout plans, the inability to track physical progress consistently, absence of personalized fitness recommendations, manual methods that are error prone and not scalable. These are the challenges to be overcome. Hence, this is the problem statement. Now let's go through the system design and technologies. The technology stack here is in the front end HTML5, CSS3 with glassmorphism and animated gradients, Bootstrap 5, chart.js included, and Python plus Flask framework, session management, and RESTful API endpoints are at the backend, and a relational schema, that is a table in MySQL Workbench the, with users and progress tables is the database, and the AI model is the rule-based deterministic logic that maps user fitness goal to a predefined workout plan. The rule-based AI model accepts a user's fitness goal as input and returns a deterministic predefined workout plan, a foundation ready for future ML integration. This is the goal of the project. This project's file structure is that the I have made a file, that is WSC In that, the Python file WSC underscore app.py and SQL file of MySQL Workbench, that is fitness underscore db, and a templates folder in which index page, login page, register page, dashboard page, and progress page. This is the project file structure I've made. Hence, this is the system design and technologies which I explained. Now let's go through the implementation. The Flash backend orchestrates all code logic. Workout generation maps user goals to predefined exercise sets. Weight entries are stored in MySQL and retrieved via API progress, and chart.js renders real-time visualizations. Flask sessions gate all protected routes. Here the index page, login page, register page, dashboard page and progress page. These are the pages and this is the workflow of the implementation. Now let's go through the pages. This is the backend Python code. Here as we can see we have made a function get underscore db, that is to get the database, ai underscore workout goal, that is to get the workout goal, that is to deal with the goal, and all of the remaining functions are made in order to access with the front end in the back end. This is the entire Python code made. Now let's go through the database. Databases made by a SQL. Here we can see that a table is made. A table I have made with a database fitness underscore db. By using the db, the table made is users with id as an int, auto increment primary key, name varchar 100, email variable char 150 unique, password text, and goal varchar 50. And another table is progress with int id auto increment primary key, user id int, weight float, the date timestamp default current underscore timestamp, foreign key is the user id which refer which is from the users table on delete cascade. Hence the entered data is inserted into the database. Hence this is the database made in SQL. Now let's go through the index page. Here at the head we have made a title that fitness AI, and here the jumbotrons are used, glass morphism is used in the side, and the navigation bar is used, and the background is completely grayish green. After executing this code, this is the output we get. Hence this is the index page. Now let's go through the login page. In the login page, here we can see that there is a form tag used in the HTML, and through that form tag we can enter the user credentials, and the entire design template is exactly as it is in the index page, and so is in all the other pages. After executing this code, this HTML code, this is the output we get. Hence this is the login page. Now let's go through the registration page. Here the registration page, we use the name, email and password. These are the credentials, the user credentials. By entering these credentials, the user can get registered into the website. And after executing this entire code, this is the execution in Google Chrome or the web browser. This is the dashboard, and here we can see the title dashboard, and here a container is made. In that container the progress and the logout button is made, and here the username is displayed, workout plan is displayed, and all of the exercises to be done are displayed, as we can see in the execution. Here I have entered my name V Abhijit Kumar, my workout plan bench press, deadlift, squats and pull-ups. Hence this is the execution of the dashboard. Now let's go through the progress page. Here the progress page, the container box is made, and the navigation bar is made, and the labels, weights, and the chart is made in order to show the progress done so far. And after executing this entire HTML code, this is the output we get. Here we can add all our plans on our progress. Here by clicking the add button, we can add our progress. Hence this is the progress page. Now finally, let me conclude this topic. Hence the fitness workout planner successfully demonstrates the application of web systems engineering principles in solving real world problem, unifying front-end design, back-end logic, and database management into a cohesive solution. The delivered structured workout planning, real-time progress tracking, and a modern glass morphism UI is a key takeaway. And a future scope is that AI-driven personalization, secure authentication, and advanced analytic dashboards can be made in the future. And another important key takeaway is that thoughtful engineering transforms a simple idea into a functional, impactful digital product. Hence, this is the conclusion. And finally, to the respected professor who had given me this wonderful opportunity to speak upon this wonderful topic, thank you.